Welcome back to Happy Kitchen. I'm Johannes, as usual. Today we have something spicy for you. We're going to have spicy chicken wings today and that very nice black bean sauce. And also we're going to have some peppers with it. And then we're going to have a lemon and pineapple juice today. I'm going to mix it with some soda water and also with some water in it. So first of all, let's make the marinade for the chicken wings. So we're going to put together 1 teaspoon of it's already spicy, the black bean sauce. Together. We're going to add 1 spoon of chopped garlic. We have 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. That's good. 1 teaspoon of oil, some salt and pepper. Good, that looks very good. Perfect. So I'm just gonna stir a little bit up, just to bring all the ingredients together, some garlic and the soy sauce and the black bean sauce. That's very good. Perfect. Next step is we're going to take the chicken wings and we're going to marinate them now with the black bean sauce. And we put the sauce on top, and then I'm going to use my hands in a bit to rub it into the chicken wings, just to give it a good flavor. That looks very good. So we have the garlic here, the beans, the oil and the dark soy sauce. So I'm just going to take them now, just going to rub it everywhere, both sides. Chicken wings, one of my favorites, very good for casual eating because you have the bones and you take them and you eat them and everybody's happy. So that looks very good. Good, perfect. So what we're going to do now, we're going to fry them in the halogen cooker. We're going to put it on the pizza mode again, put it on 220 degrees, and we're going to fry it around 10 minutes. We'll see what happens. So let's open this up. Good. So we're just going to turn it on now. We see now the halogen cooker is on. That looks very good. Right. Our next step is now to prepare the peppers. So peppers we don't really do much. We cut them in stripes and use some of the leftover of the sauce. And then we're going to fry them on the barbecue grill. And that's going to be very nice. We're just going to cut them in a few round 4. That looks good. Perfect. So just going to place them on the barbecue grill now, and then I'm going to add some of the sauce, not too much, but some of the sauce, so we have everything like in the same consistency and the same spice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place them on here. Just so. Perfect. We're going to put the same temperature, so 220 degrees. And we put them around for 5 to 6 minutes, so I put 5 minutes now, maybe 6, and then we see how it goes. We can always adjust the temperature and also the time. It's going to start it now. We have to turn as well, and so that's going to be very good. still have 6 minutes here. The chicken wings also look very good. Perfect, that's going well. So for our juice today, the juice is going to be, again, we have the vitamins for the juice. So we're going to have the pineapple here is already prepared. I'm just going to cut it in smaller pieces now, just for the mixer to be a little bit easier, so that works very well. Good. Let's take the pineapple, cut it. That's good. Okay, perfect. Just cut it again in the middle. Good. Place everything in the mixer, in the food processor. And we're going to use the same option later again as usual, the smoothie option, to make it perfect. We're going to add half of a lemon juice only. So half of a lemon, just make sure that all the seeds inside are out, that nothing is going into the juice. Just going to put it inside. That's about enough. Half lemon is enough because lemon, obviously we can't use too much of that. And then we're going to play around with the soda water a little bit. So we have soda water, but we also have normal water later. So we open the soda water, common soda water from the store. Going to add a little bit more. Not everything, but yeah, that's a little bit more, it's perfect. And then we're just going to add some water. But again, we don't make it too much water or too much juice. So that's a little bit more. That's perfect. Good. Before I start this now, we're going to over again to the peppers and have a look. I now need to add the sauce on top of the peppers. So I'm just gonna take the sauce, some of the sauce, not much, but we have some just to place above, just to give it a little more taste later. Well, that's about it. Replace it again, perfect. Chicken wings already look super good. We have about 6 minutes more to go. What I suggest now, I'm going to turn the chicken wings around to fry them from the other side as well. Just going to open it up. Hydrogen cocoa turns automatically off when I turn it up. It's perfect, and we can already hear the sound. It's very it's frying perfectly. And we have the black bean sauce on top, very spicy, very good. That looks very good. I'm going to close it again and have another 5 to 6 minutes left. What I'm going to do here, just to make sure, put them all in the middle, just to fry them good, so we can place them later with the chicken wings together. So we have now 3 minutes here. We have another 5 minutes here now. What we're going to do now, I'm just going to turn on the mixer, the food processor. So I'm going to change it again to the smoothie option. We have 30 seconds again. I'm just going to start it now. You see it's going well. Perfect. So the smoothie is already done, or the juice today, because we don't add milk today, we have the juice today because we have water and the soda. Very refreshing for the summer, pineapple. So our goal, or aim basically, is to try new juices every day for you guys, to show you the difference or the possibilities we have in creating juice with the food processor. So obviously we have the pineapple today, like very sour, and but also we have the lemon, very sour. So today is like more sour, which goes with the spiciness of the chicken wings and the peppers. So sometimes we vary and have other juices, obviously. So day to day we change. Now we can see here, that looks very good, very soft, very smooth we have here, because the pineapple gives the nice taste, a nice flavor, and also the nice color of it. So we have another 1 minute here to go. The chicken wings already look super good. Already after 6 minutes look perfect. So we give it another 2 minutes, I would say, and then stop, because always depends obviously on the size of the chicken wings, on the size of the meat, also on the quality, how long they take, and it's always like a thing that you need to just see how it's going, and then you can always adjust the time, adjust the temperature. We just heard that the peppers are done. You can see the peppers are a little bit grilled already. It's not too much, but a little bit grilled in the insides here. That's exactly what we want. We don't want it too much, otherwise we would put more temperature on. We just want a little bit we want a little bit warm, but at the same time cold. Because obviously we have the spice of the chicken wings, and if we go too hot, plus the spice, that's just too much. So obviously we're going to, with those dishes, all the dishes we do, we focus on many people. So for example, European people like me in Germany, we like spicy food, but we don't like it too spicy. And I know that in Asia people eat more spicy than we do in Europe, so we want to adjust that people from all different nationalities like our food and also want to prepare it at home for themselves. So I would say the chicken wings are about done. What we're going to do now, we're going to take the pepper. Just going to place it on the plate for us here. So I'm just going to take the pepper. It's very good. Perfect. That looks very good. So that looks good. Let's have a look at the chicken wings now. You can see now, if you look at the chicken wings, they're perfect. They're frying very well, very nicely. You can see the color, it's perfect. That's the color we want for chicken wings. That's what I recommend for chicken wings. So we don't have them too much done, but it's perfect. I'm just going to take the plate now. It's going to take the chicken wings with a nice spicy sauce. That looks very good. That looks very good. Perfect. So this is an easy dish. Again, easy done. We have the chicken wings in less than 10 minutes. We have the peppers. You can always adjust the peppers because you can always change the time you fry the peppers, and that just depends on your own taste, basically. And with the juice, we have the pineapple and lemon juice, very tasty. I can only recommend that. And the product together, that looks very good. And today we're done with Happy Kitchen, and I'm going to see you tomorrow.